Hi, my name is Darry Veganis. I am 23 years old and I study animal science. I currently work at a Venezuelan company called Injectoflama, where I am a technical coordinator. The superstitions I choose is about dark butterflies. These superstitions has roots in various cultures, especially in Latin America. It is believed that black or dark colored appearance butterflies announce death or bad luck. This belief comes from their mysterious appearance and the fact that they often appear at night or in dark places. It is believed that if a dark butterfly enters your house, someone close to you might get sick or die. Many people see them as messengers from the afterlife or symbols of bad omens. In some regions, they are also thought to announce bad news or family problems. I have never had any experience related to any superstitions. I do not believe in them because I am one of Jehovah's Witnesses. I think that people who practice them do some more out of traditions than because they truly believe something will happen. I don't know exactly why people continue with these customs, but I believe that trusting in Jehovah is the only reason to live and have hope after death. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.